Hello YouTube, I'm gonna do this quick unboxing. This dash cover for the 2008 Lexus RX350. This is the way it comes in the box with that plastic cover right there. Here are the instructions and the part for the airbag. So this is the part that goes for the airbag. And this is the instruction how to install it. And this must be the box with the glue right there. Doesn't say anything about anything in particular. And this to connect the glue to dispense it. And so that's the way it goes right there. And as you guys can see, the whole part right there. Move this over here. And we got our midnight inspection. He inspect every box that we open in this house, so he's trying to find out what the hell's going on. I got our cat, Mr. Midnight. Yeah, so this is the, let me show you the fit and finish. A little bit of close up. So it really looks a pretty good job. Usually this originally, when they first come out, they wanted almost $500 for it. As the year passed by, the lowest that I see in Amazon was $180. And the other day, my wife says, I'm tired of that cracked dash. Find out how much is, and this one was on sale for $129 on Amazon. So they do a pretty good job. I think it looks like new when you install this. Well, that's a quick unboxing. Make any comments, suggestions, and subscribe. Thank you.